Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how I reinstalled the Harbor Freight canopy to the frame after our heavy storm went through. Now the reason I pulled it off was to keep it from looking like this Harbor Freight canopy. Yeah, the winds were pretty good, nothing as intense as they said that they were going to be. But I really did not want to take a chance on having damage done to the frame and the canopy itself. So my son was out of town. He asked me to come over to the house and take the tarp off of here or the canopy off of here. So I did. Storm blew through. And as you can see, with a simple ladder, you can actually get up there, get it over the ridge peak on this frame, get the little tie down hooks put back through the holes in the legs, and then it's just a matter of reinstalling each of those little bungee beaded things. Now the simplest way that I found with these are to feed the bungee cord through, and then once the little marble like thing hits the grommet, then you just pull the bungee up over the grommet and it's done. If you try to fight with it any other way, at least I found it made it very difficult by doing it this way. From start to finish, pulling this canopy out of the utility shed and getting it back on, all the bungees into it, as well as doing the filming, was no more than 30 minutes. So I sped things up a little bit, abbreviated quite a bit of it. But this is really just as simple. Look, I'm 60 something years old, and if I can get up there on a ladder and put this thing back up there, anybody can get up on a ladder and put their canopy back on. So don't be afraid to take it off. I didn't fold it up when I took it off. I had it in a pile in the laundry shed, and the storm was over, put it back up, and here you have it. Just that simple. Alrighty, guys. You have an absolutely wonderful and blessed Christmas. I'll see you next time. Take care.